Okay, good day. Welcome to our recorded video. So today we will discuss more problems about illustration of quadratic equation. So you will identify if the following equation are quadratic or not, and if it's quadratic, you will identify the values of A, B, and C. So as my advice, so kindly get a piece of paper or kindly get your notebook, then answer it first, then pause. Don't play the answers so you can try it with yourself kung naintindihan nyo ba yung first discussion natin. Okay? So for number 1, if you have 3m plus 8 is equal to 15, it is a quadratic equation or not? Okay? So for number 1, so let's check first if it is in standard form. So we have ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. As you can see, hindi po siya naka-equate kay 0, so transpose natin. So magiging 3m plus 8 minus 15 is equal to 0. So 8 minus 15 is negative 7. So magiging negative 7 is equal to 0. Okay na siya. Next. But as you can see, no, wala siyang x squared or m squared. Ang pinakamataas niya lang ay m. Ibig sabihin, bx lang siya. So, sa una pa lang, mali na agad, no? Hindi po siya quadratic equation. At kung titignan mo, may quadratic term ba siya? Wala din po. At yung highest exponent niya ba is 2? Hindi rin po. Therefore, this is not a quadratic equation. Okay? Next, number 2. If you have x squared plus 5x plus 10 is equal to 0, it is quadratic equation or not? Okay? So let's check. Standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0? Yes, naka-equate kay 0. Next, may quadratic term po ba tayo? May ax squared ba? Yes, meron po tayong naka-x squared. And obviously, highest exponent po ba natin is 2? Yes, 2 na po yung pinakamataas. Therefore, this is a quadratic equation. Okay? So, if it is a quadratic equation based on our instruction, let's find the value of A, B, and C. So, what is the value of A? Tandaan po natin si A, siya po yung kasama ni x squared. So, may kasama po ba si x squared? Yes, meron pong 1 dito yan. Therefore, E is equal to 1. Next, what is the value of B? So, yun po yung kasama ni x, which is negative 5. And si C, yung constant, which is positive 10. Okay? So, let's have another example. 12 minus 4x is equal to 0. As you can see, unang-una sa lahat, wala po tayong x squared. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. Okay? Next, number 3. If you have 2t squared minus 7t is equal to 12, so hindi po siya naka-standard form. So, kailangan po na natin standard form siya. Okay? So, ilipat po natin. So, magiging 2t squared minus 7t minus 12 is equal to 0. So, check na tong standard form natin. Check naman natin kung may quadratic term. Meron po ba tayong quadratic term? Yes, meron po tayong naka t squared. Okay? And please check kung yung t squared na ba o yung highest exponent ba natin is 2 na. Yes, it is 2. So, therefore, it is a quadratic equation. And what are the value of A, B, and C? So, even T po siya, no? Sabi ko nga kanina, last video, one variable pa rin. Pareho naman siyang T. So, dito, basta si A ang kasama niya, yung may squared. So, T squared ang kasama niya ay si 2. Next, si B, yung kasama, yung linear natin, which is 1 lang yung exponent, si T po yun, no? So, negative 7. And yung constant po natin ay negative 12. Okay? So, next example, let's have the fifth example. If you have 6 minus 2x plus 3x squared is equal to 0. So, it is a standard equation or not? So, naka-standard equation ba siya? Hindi pa po, kasi ax squared po dapat yung una natin. So, standard equation po muna natin. So, magiging 3x squared minus 2x minus plus 6 is equal to what? Equal to 0 rather. No? So, naka-standard equation na. Then, check natin kung may quadratic term ba. Yes po, may quadratic term tayo. No? Si 3x squared. And, ang highest exponent pa is 2. Yes, 2 na po yung pinakamataas. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Okay? And what are the value of A? Si A ay si 3. Si B naman ay negative 2 kasi ito po yung kasama ni X. At si C ay si positive 6. Next, example number 6. So, in this part, hindi po siya naka-standard form. So, ayusin po muna natin. So, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, ito po, ililipat natin. Tapos, ito dapat yung mauna. So, magiging negative r squared plus 4r plus 25 is equal to 0. So, may quadratic term po ba tayo? Yes, we have a quadratic term, which is a negative r squared. And the highest exponent po ba is 2? Yes, no? Squared na po yun. Naka-r squared na siya. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. So, what are the value of A, B, and C? Si A po ay negative 1 kasi may negative tayo doon. Si B ay si 4. And si C ay si 25. Okay? Next. Number 7. As you can see, ito katulad ng example number 2 natin, no? Kailangan mo muna nating i-distribute. And then, ayusin natin sa standard form na ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, 3x times x is 3x squared. Ito lang muna. Then, 3x times negative 2 will be negative 6. Then, ito, ta-transpose natin, magiging positive 7 na siya, equal kay 0. So, 3x squared, wala siyang kasama. I mean, walang like terms. But negative 6 plus 7 can simplify, magiging positive 1 is equal to 0. Okay, naka-standard form na. Ang sunod nating tanong, may quadratic term ba? Yes, meron po tayong quadratic term, si 3x squared. So, check din yon. Then, highest exponent is 2. Yes, meron din po. Okay, si 2 na po yun. So, therefore, this is a quadratic equation. And, what are the values of A? Si A po ay 3 at kasi yun po yung kasama ng x squared. And si B, diba, wala namang x lang dyan, kaya 0 po yan. At si C ay si 1. Next, number 8 example. If we have the quantity of 1/2, 1/2 times the quantity of h minus 6 equal to 0. So, let's try to distribute. Magkakaroon ba tayo ng x squared dito? So, magkakaroon tayo ng 1/2 times h is 1/2 h. Then, 1/2 times 6, negative 6 is, so, negative 1/2 times 6 is equal to 0. 1/2 times 6 ay equal kay 3. So, meron tayong 1/2 h minus 3 is equal to 0. Tanong, hindi x ang gamit, no? Try natin ay h squared. May h squared ba dyan? Wala po. Therefore, this is not a quadratic equation. No, wala naman po siyang naka-squared. Okay? Number 9. So, as you can see, we have a complex problem here. So, in this part, let's try to expand it first. So, i-expand lang po natin para po maging ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Or ilalagay lang natin sa standard form. Pero kung mapapansin nyo, medyo mahaba siya. So, pero may technique po tayo dyan. No? So, tinatawag po natin tong perfect square binomial. So, for example, if we have if you have a plus b squared, ang mangyayari po sa kanya ay magiging a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay? So, si a, possible siya yung x, at si b, siya naman yung ating number. Pero, baka malito tayo, palitan natin. No? Imbis na a, b, c yung gamitin natin, gamit tayo ng ibang value. Sorry. Okay. Erase ko muna to. So, try natin si x plus c squared. So, magiging x squared po yan plus 2c x plus c squared. So, paano po nangyayari yan? So, may shortcut po ko dyan. Pwede po kasi yan na ganito yan. X plus c times x plus c. Ganito din po magiging sagot niyan. Pero times consuming kung magfo-FOIL method lang tayo. So, let's have a mental math. So, to find this value, paano po pa siya ginagawa? So, ang una, first term, ang ginawa ko, in-squared ko, no? Squared the first term. The next, the second term, ginawa ko, tinawise ko naman. Twice the first and last term. So, ito magiging x squared. Ito magiging 2 times c times x. And then, yung third term, doon ko naman po siya i-square yung last term natin. Kaya nagka-c squared tayo. Okay? So, hopefully na-gets yun. At try nga natin dito. So, sabi dito, yung first term i-squared natin. So, si 2x quantity squared magiging 4x squared. Bakit? Kasi 2x times 2x ay 4x squared or 2x squared nakatumbas na ito ay 4x squared din. The next, twice the first and second term. So, 2x times negative 1 times 2. Ganun lang po yun. Si 2x, ita-times mo dito. Ita-times mo pa siya kay 2. Okay? So, ang sagot, magiging negative 4x. Kasi negative 1 times 2x is negative 2x times 2 is negative 4x. Okay? Then next, last square the last term. So, 1 squared is 1. So, equal natin. Mamaya na natin siya ayusin. So, x plus 1 squared ay magiging x squared. Squared natin to. Plus, x times 1 is x times 2 is 2x. Then, squared natin last. Then, saka po natin ilipat. Okay, ilipat natin to lahat dito sa kabila. So, magiging 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 minus x squared minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then, after natin ilipat, combining like terms tayo. Si 4x squared sa kasi negative x squared pwede pagsamahin. So, 4x squared minus x squared ay 3x squared. Next, gamit tayo ibang kulay. Si negative 4 pwedeng pagsamahin si negative 2x. No? Negative 4x minus negative 2x is negative 6x. And lastly, meron tayong constant 1 minus 1. Obviously, 0 na po yan. So, meron tayong constant. So, hindi na natin kailangan ilagay. So, to end our standard form, so equate lang natin kay 0. So, this will be our standard form. Yes! Check natin, naka-standard form na po siya. Naka-equate kay 0. May quadratic term ba? Yes, may 3x squared tayo. Yung highest exponent niya ba ay 2? Yes din po. Therefore, this is a quadratic equation. And what are the value of A, B, and C? Si A, yun yung kasama ni x squared, si 3 yun. Si B, yung kasama ni x, which is negative 6. Pero si C ay 0. Okay lang po. No? Nasunod naman po yung conditions natin. Okay? So, kapit lang. Last example. So, what if we have okay, nagloloko siya. Wait lang. Okay, number 10, if you have, ito medyo complicated, mas mahaba lang, pero madali lang din, same lang din sa process. 2x times the quantity of x plus 2 is equal to x, quantity of x minus 3 times x minus 3. So dito, more on distribution na lang tayo. So distribute mo lang to dito. So 2x times x is 2x squared. Wait lang, kailangan natin erase. 2x squared po, no? Then, 2x times positive 4 is positive 8x. Equal kay, eto FOIL method na lang yung gamitin natin. So, x times x is x squared. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. Negative 3 times x, negative 3x. Then, negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. So, ito pwede natin pagsamahin. Magiging x squared minus 6x plus 9. So, 2x squared plus 8x. So, lipat po natin lahat ito sa kaliwa. So, magiging 2x squared plus 8x minus x squared plus 6x minus 9 equal kay 0. So, after this, combining like terms lang po tayo. So, si 2x squared sa si negative x squared, pwede po nating pag-minusin. So, magiging 2x squared minus x squared is x squared na lang. Next, si plus 8 plus 16, plus 8x, and si positive 6x, pag pinag-add, magiging 8x plus 6x is 14x. And kung mapapansin nyo po, mag-isa lang si 9. So, negative 9 is equal to 0. So, kung i-check natin, yes, standard form. Quadratic term, yes, meron tayong x squared. Pinakamataas na ba yung x squared? Yes, yun na po yun. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. And what are the value of A, B, and C? Si A, which is 1, no? Si B, 14, and si C ay negative 9. Okay? So, that's end our first lesson. So, for my reference is Mathematics Within Learners Materials for the edition from the DepEd Learning modules. Okay, goodbye!